Hey everybody! Apparently in Oklahoma, they skip all the sauces and vegetables and just have fried onions with their burgers. I was very skeptical of this, but decided to still give it a try, and was pleasantly surprised. And now, I'm in love with this burger. Let's start this with the perfect bun. In a small mixing bowl, add 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, a half cup of milk, and a half cup of water. For our choice of flour today, we are going to use bread flour. We will add 3.5 cups of flour. Continuing with our dry ingredients, we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix together until combined. If you want to see more recipes like this, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video coming out. Now, for our wet ingredients, we are going to start with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Time to add a combiner to the dough, so see to it that 1 egg and 1 egg yolk get added. Now grab the yeast mixture from a fork. Actually, take it like a decent human being, and then add that to a mixing bowl. We are now going to mix this together for a few minutes until it becomes a smooth dough. Make sure to leave a like on this video if your favorite fast food item is a burger. Lightly grease a separate bowl and place your dough in there. Cover it and let it rise for 1 hour. Once done rising, cut your dough into 6 evenly sized balls. Shape and place on a piece of parchment paper and let it proof for 30 more minutes. Now right before baking, we are going to give them a quick egg wash. So grab 1 large egg, crack it into a small bowl, and whisk it together. Lightly wash the outside of each bun to get a shiny finish. Then bake for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's baking, grab a couple large onions and peel off the outside. Chop off both ends and just give in to the fact that you are going to cry. Using a mandolin, slice them extremely thin like paper. If you don't have one, get ready to use some precision knife skills and cut that onion thin. Now time for the beef. Once again, the amounts all depend on how many people you are making for. I like to chop my meat up one more time before cooking, but this is completely unnecessary and you could totally skip this step. Then roll the meat into a large half-cup ball. In a cast iron skillet or any other pan you have on hand, add some oil and let it rise to the highest temperature you can get without it burning. Then add in your meat and enjoy that sizzle. Using a piece of parchment paper, press down and completely smash that meat. Take the onions and pile them on top. Flip them over and let them cook until a beautiful crust has formed, and then remove them from the pan. Cut your bun in half and enjoy that really fluffy inside. Place your first patty on top and the second one right on top of that. Place the bun on top and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this video how to make a gourmet burger at home. Enjoy!